very good morning to everyone, and it's day 12 today. We are starting from Leh. So we have finished the first part, which was Kashmir, second part which is Ladakh, and now the third part is yet to be covered. So from here we're going to head towards Manali. So our halt for tonight will be Manali. If not, then we can halt in Solang or Jispa. But yes, it's Himachal that we're going to halt. So Himachal is going to be our third part of this great Himalayan road trip. So stay with us to see, because Leh-Manali highway has got many attractions. They got multiple passes, a couple of good lakes to cross, and some rough terrain. So just watch this journey and enjoy. Thank you. We're crossing Upsi, and from Upsi the road deviates. One goes towards Hanle, left hand side, and right hand side goes towards Manali. So you'll take the Manali route. There will be a small checkpost where they'll enter vehicle details, passenger details, phone number, and your destination point. That's it. Well, this is one more magnetic hill in Lato. Trust me, I was going down and I just put it in neutral and I just left the brake. It's going behind. It's just going behind. It's unbelievable that it's going behind very fast. It's going very fast. Maybe it's, I don't know. I'm trying to apply brake. I'll show you the board over here. It's really
continue on National Highway 3 for 29
kind of
kilometers.
A miracle, I would say. You can see the road is, inclined towards down. I've left the brake. I've left the gear. It's going back. The car is going back. It's something very different. I've never seen that. There's one more magnetic hill which is just before Leh when you're coming from Srinagar. But this is different. This is in Lato. So now I'm trying to apply my let me just probably take out the camera and show you, else it'll not be okay. It's in neutral and you can see my both the feet rather are out, right? It's going back. It's going back. But actually the road is inclined towards down. So now I have to put the brake and I have to apply the gear. Then I have to move forward. With the gear pressure. Now, just 1 second. I have come up to this board. Let me do the same mechanism once again. I have put it on neutral. And I've removed my left foot from the clutch. Right foot is right now on the brake. I'm leaving the brake. Now you see. Yeah. It's damn miracle and going against the inclination. So very different. So when you guys come over here, do this small testing. It's really funny. Thank you. In Rumse, small cute village. We're going to have some breakfast. Maggie, paratha, everything is available here. It's called Lachung restaurant, and they also have some homestay option. I can see some bikers who've come here all the way down from Kerala, UP, parked here. You get to see all these small places where you can halt for quick refreshment. This place is really cold, but it's a very nice experience. This is a place called Pang, with a checkpost, and again you have to get your vehicle and passenger details entered here. You can move on. There are some shops here for refreshment, like a pit stop. You can have a quick refreshment and keep going. Thank you. We are at another pass called Lachungla, which is 16,616 feet of the sea level. So this is the second pass in Manali, Leh and Manali highway. There are another two passes to go. That's Nakila and Baralacha. So we continue from here. We have reached the third pass called Nakila. Nakila top, 15,547 feet of sea level. So this is the third pass, and we are not stopping because it's too windy and it's too cold. It's too cold, so we're not stopping here. Just taking a video, photo shoot, and then we're going to continue. Thank you. Now we're just crossing the famous Gata loops. So we're going to cross multiple hairpin bends. and one needs to drive very carefully because I would say the road, the highway from the last point Pang up to Sarchu, we have not yet reached Sarchu. The road condition is not good, so I think it will just give you a proper driving test, and you need to be extremely careful because you'll be having lorries crossing by, and there'll be hardly any space for you to kind of halt. So make sure you focus 100% on your driving and on the road, nowhere else. It's just a piece of advice, and just be calm and be cautious. Take care. I'm not aware of this point, but people say that you must donate some water here. There's some saying that there was some tourist who passed away because of lack of water. So I'll not throw any plastic bottle, but I'll just drop in some water for the lost soul. I don't like littering the place by throwing plastic. So this is the Gata loop, and be very careful while you drive. Maybe I'm repeating the same, but it's worth repeating at least. Thank you. So this is how you get to stop. I mean, when you have heavy vehicles crossing you, because there's hardly any space in Gata loops for two vehicles to cross at the same time. So you have to look for these kind of stretch where you have a little bit of extended the land from the road, where you can park your car or slow down, or if the truck driver is a bit nice, then probably he'll give you space to cross. But very tough terrain, I would say. From the last point we halted in Pang until now, until we reach Sarchu, very, very rough terrain, I would say. So be cautious again when you drive. Thank you. This bridge is called Whiskey Bridge. I don't know why, but that's the name. I think one at a time vehicles can cross. This is just below the Gata loops. We have finished the 21 loops, which are basically Gata. Bisky, not whiskey, but I saw one board says whiskey, but here it says Bisky, B. My goodness, it's a very rough road. Keep the camera on for you guys to see how the truck is passing. Yes. That's the beauty of Leh Manali highway, I think. If someone wants to experience adventure, that's what they should do. Thank you. We are crossing Sarchu now. There are also a lot of food stalls. People can stop here to get some refreshment. We'll probably not stop here because we are anyway trying to follow the time. Thank you. So this is Baralacha Pass. Baralacha Pass, in fact. And it says 4850 meter height. I could see snow. Mostly in the winter, probably in the month of May, June, July, this area is fully covered with snow. Very cold, as usual. We're crossing a place called Zing Zing Bar. Zing Zing Bar. I don't know why this name is Zing Zing Bar, although I can't see any bar over here. So it looks like the entire stretch has got places named after, alcohol, bar, and God knows what. Anyway, this is basically just like a landmark. You just know that. Now you can see in front, it says Atal Tunnel 91 kilometers, Manali 124, and Delhi and whatever. So you've already seen the board. So we're just heading towards Manali. We'll go via Atal Tunnel, and let's see where do we stop for a quick refreshment, but not here. Probably a place where we can get good place to sit and eat. Thank you. Keep watching. This is the Darcha police checkpost. It'll be quick registration for your vehicle. Same vehicle detail, contact number of passengers, and where you up to. Quite simple. Then you can get inside. Thank you. We are approaching Atal Tunnel now. So we have reached Manali almost. We started from Leh around 7:30.
7 o'clock.
7:15 rather. And now we're just entering Atal Tunnel. Yup, this is it. 40-kilometer speed limit. First time in life experiencing the highest, most, and the longest tunnel. What an architecture, and I would say what an engineering. Amazing. It's I think 9-kilometer tunnel which bypasses the Rotang road. Earlier the Rotang road used to be the road to connect. So keep watching. Thank you. We've reached our hotel, New Snowbird. This hotel is owned by a friend's brother. So when I asked him, he told me to come over in this place. So we started around approximately 7:15 from Leh, and right now it's about 9:15. So about 14 hours straight. So just watch a few more clippings after this, maybe tomorrow or day after, to see some bit of Manali. Thank you.
सुना था। आसान भी होगा.
Good morning, everyone. So it's day 14 now, and we are starting from Manali. So as per our road trip, it was Kashmir, Ladakh, and Himachal, which is Manali. So Manali is done. We're leaving from here, and we're heading towards Delhi. So we'll halt in Delhi tonight. Then we'll make another halt in Sagar. We'll make the third halt in Hyderabad, and then we're going to reach Bangalore. This is the plan. So thank you for being with us in the entire journey, and our visit and the entire road trip was really awesome. Worth. Thank you. Bye. Good evening, everyone. It's around 8:30 in the evening, day 17th, and we are at the finishing line of our great Himalayan road trip. Just entering Bangalore. This is the Devanahalli toll gate at the airport. 1st October we started. We have covered 3 major destinations. That's Kashmir, Ladakh, and Himachal, all the way from Bangalore. And now we are back. I really thank my family who supported me the entire journey and who has made me chase this particular dream. And this drive is going to be a memorable drive for the entire lifetime. And I would say it needed a lot of preparation, determination, as well as very strong, what I would say, dedication. So finally we are done. We are yet to reach our home, which will take another half an hour. And thanks for being with us. Thanks for watching. And I hope you also should plan something similar to it if you're really passionate about driving and road trips. And be safe. Thank you. Goodbye.